Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer Solana from Bitmart to KuCoin in 2025. Whether you're looking to diversify your crypto holdings or just move assets for better trading opportunities, this step-by-step process will have you sorted in no time. Solana is one of the fastest growing cryptocurrencies, so getting this right is key to avoiding any hiccups. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Bitmart account. Head over to the wallet section and select Solana from your asset list. Double-check your balance to ensure you have enough SOL to cover the transfer plus any network fees. Remember, crypto transfers aren't free. Next, click on the Withdraw button for Solana. You'll need to choose the correct network. For Solana, it's usually just the Solana network itself, so select that to avoid any errors. Now, enter the wallet address from your KuCoin account. Pro tip: always copy and paste the address directly from KuCoin to prevent typos, which could lead to lost funds. Once you've entered the amount you want to transfer, review all the details carefully. Hit confirm, and you'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication step for security. Sit tight while the transaction processes. It might take a few minutes depending on network congestion. Now, switch over to your KuCoin account and navigate to the deposit section. Look for Solana in your wallet, and you should see the incoming transfer shortly. Once it shows up, you're all set. Always verify the transaction on a blockchain explorer like Solana's official site to ensure everything went smoothly. A quick word of caution: crypto transfers are irreversible, so triple-check everything. Also, keep an eye on fees. They can vary, so this might not be the cheapest way if you're dealing with small amounts. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Let's keep building that knowledge. See you in the next one.